Ever wondered why people are talking about cryptocurrency so much these days? Let me take you back to where it all began. Picture this: 2008, the world is in turmoil, traditional financial systems are crumbling, and trust in banks? Well, it's hitting rock bottom. Everyone's looking for an alternative. Enter the world of cryptography and digital cash. Before Bitcoin, pioneers like David Chaum and Nick Szabo toyed with the idea of digital currency. They envisioned a world where transactions could be secure, private, and free from centralized control. Think of it as planting the seeds for a revolution. Now cue the mysterious figure, Satoshi Nakamoto. In 2008, Satoshi published a white paper outlining Bitcoin, a decentralized peer-to-peer electronic cash system. By January 2009, the Bitcoin network was live, and the Genesis block was mined. This wasn't just another digital currency, it was a movement. So what's the magic behind Bitcoin? Blockchain technology. Imagine a digital ledger that's transparent, secure, and immutable. Miners use computational power to validate transactions, making the system trustless and decentralized. Fast forward to May 22, 2010, the day a programmer bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 bitcoins. Sounds crazy now, but that was the first real-world Bitcoin transaction. From there, Bitcoin sparked a wildfire of innovation, leading to the creation of countless altcoins and blockchain applications. Bitcoin wasn't just a new kind of money, it was the dawn of a new financial paradigm. One that promises transparency, security, and inclusivity. So if you're curious about the future of money, the world of crypto awaits. Dive in, explore, and discover the boundless possibilities of decentralized finance. And remember, this is just the beginning. Explore the future of money. Discover more about crypto today.